Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix gaming services opens instead of game and gaming service is not running. Open services, make sure gaming services are running properly. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy command from description and paste it. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Copy text from description and paste it one by one. Right-click Start button, click Run, paste the URL from description and paste it. Gaming service is installed. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.